Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn a tutorial 2 for BS in generic student. In this tutorial, we enter our data in SPSS software. The question is consider sample data of 10 individuals of the Honolulu Heart Study from the population of 7,683 persons in 1969. Enter the following data in SPSS and also save the data file with the name tutorial 2. Code for variables. Here we have name of variables. The first variables is ID. The second variable is education level, which is categorical variable, and the third variable is weight in kg, height in centimeter, age in years, smoking status, which is also categorical variable, having two categories, 0 for no, 1 for yes. Physical activity is the ordinal type of variable, 1 for mostly sitting, 2 for moderate, 3 for heavy. Blood glucose, serum cholesterol, and systolic blood pressure. Here we have three categorical variable, education level. The categories 1 is equal to none, 2 primary, 3 intermediate, 4 senior height, and 5 is technical school. And second categorical variable is smoking status, and the third one is physical activity. For entering the data, we first open our SPSS software and in desktop we double click our SPSS software. The overall visual impact is particularly important for moving the interest of the because this window administered questionnaires. Because we need to new data set or of sufficient quality. Here we have variable view and data view. First we enter the variable characteristics in our variable view. The typeface should be large and to read without eye strain. Different size and styles such as the first variable is ID. Can be used. We enter ID variable. Overuse of found styles should and the second variable is education. There should be an introductory page or session giving the title of the study or program name of the organization, general education level of the survey, and instruction and on the general press enter button. Our third variable is weight. Instruction should be clearly stated and consistent. Press enter button. The fourth variable is height. Should be number to avoid questions being omitted and the facilitate filtering. Numbers and the fifth variable is age. Questionnaire number on all pages. Emphasize any particular next variable is smoking status. In each question, what is the most usual headache treatment you use? Subparts of press enter button and the next variable is physical main question activity. Questions and answers. Press underscore button. Please subscribe and like our channel and press enter button icon for more videos. The next variable, blood glucose level. Press enter button. The next variable is cholesterol level. Serum cholesterol. Press enter button And the last variable is systolic blood pressure, SBP. And we have types of variable. Our all variables have numeric type. No one is a string variable, and the robotic width is 8 and decimals is 2, and the label is same id variable. And the next one is education level. We give the space in label, press enter button. We enter the next variable, weight, in kg. The next variable is height, in centimeter. The next variable is age, in years. The next variable is smoking status. Press enter button. The physical activity, press enter button. Blood glucose level, serum cholesterol, and systolic blood pressure. The next ones. Here we have three categorical variables. The first one is education. So we give the values and select the education variable and open the corresponding values. The one we put one value and label is none. Press 8 button. We put 2 in value and label is primary. And press add button. We write 3 in value and 3 category name is intermediate. Press add button. The fourth one is senior high. Press add button. And the fifth category is technical school. Press add button and press OK button. And the next variable is smoking status. We go to smoking corresponding values. Open, press button and open the value labels window. The first value is 0. The code is no. Press add button. The second value is yes, means smoker. or smoking status is yes, and press OK button. The third variable is physical activity. Press value labels corresponding to the physical activity. The first value is 1, which means is mostly sitting. Press add button. The second value code is moderate. Press add button. And the third value code is heavy. Press add button and press OK button. The next column is missing. We have 10 values. The column values, alignment columns, and right, left, and center alignment. We consider the center one. Okay. The next one is measure and role. The first is the ID variable, which is the scale variable, and the next one is the education variable, which is the ordinal variable, and next one is weight, the scale variable. The next one is height, scale variable. The next one is age, scale variable, and the next one is smoking status, which is nominal variable, and the next one is physical activity, which is ordinal type of variables, and blood glucose level scale, and the serum cholesterol level scale, and the SBP, systolic blood pressure, is also scale variable. We save these variable characteristics and press the save button and save this as tutorial 2. Number 2, tutorial number 2, and save this in the documents or desktop. Press save button. The output viewer is open, and we also go to the SPSS data file and go to the data view and enter our data. We have 10 individuals data, so we enter 1. Go to the data file. The first education level is 2, and the 70 is the weight, and 165 is the height, and 61 is the age, and one smoking status is 1, means smoker, and physical activity is also 1, mostly sitting, and the blood glucose level is 107, and the serum cholesterol level is 199, and the blood pressure, systolic blood pressure, is 102. Press enter, and similarly we enter the second individual record and press the education level is 1, enter, none, and we enter the all observation and skip these steps. We enter all data and press the save button. This is our tutorial 2. First we enter the all variables properties in variable view and then enter our data in data view and press the value labels button, which is show the coding, and press again, which is show the code of the variables. Thank you so much.